How to report a player in Free Fire. To report a player on Free Fire, first of all, launch the game itself. Now, log into your account. Once you've logged in, all you have to do is simply tap on your profile avatar on the top right. From here, you should be able to access the history of your games. Once you tap on this, you'll find a long list of games that you were previously in or that you have previously played. Now, once you tap on that specific character profile and enter the profile page, you simply have to tap the report icon, a red exclamation mark, or seal the icon in the bottom corner of your screen while spectating them or simply viewing their profile. And now you simply have to select any reason for the report itself and click submit. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.